Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add token to your Trust Wallet. Let's begin. I will show you two ways of actually adding token on your Trust Wallet. In case you are not familiar what Trust Wallet is, or simply not knowing what cryptocurrency is all about, please subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of video tutorials that you can learn from, and you'll be able to earn more from cryptocurrency. So going back to Trust Wallet, this is basically your main page or your dashboard for all your tokens. So what if, for example, you wanted to add a new token? So all you need to do is just go at the upper right of your app. You could see like a circle and a dash, and then you would be able to see a list of tokens here, right? So first thing is, say for instance, if you have, if you can't find your token already, you can just either swipe that one just to enable that, and that would already be added on your dashboard or main page. Or in case, for example, you don't know what your token or you're too lazy to look for it. If you have, for example, the name of the token. So say for example, if I wanted to look for BNB, so there's a lot of, or there's a list of BNB in there, so you can also do that. Or you can just say for example, if the token that you have is just it's part of pre-sale or it's not listed yet, you could also click on this one, like there's like a plus sign here, right? So if you have the contract address, you just need to put in there. So for whatever reason, I'm just gonna put like whatever address in there, and then the name, so my token, I launch my own token, and my symbol would be this one. So you could also do that, and that will be added on your Trust Wallet. There's also a link here that says what is custom token, so you can also read that if you need guidance or reference on what's all about. And everything you add in there would be just published here. So that's how easy it is. So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.